In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Pure Dating app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if you're looking for something casual, spontaneous, and even private, Pure is a dating app built for quick, no strings attached connections focused on honesty, privacy, and fun. So the first thing what we need to do is open our Player App Store and type in Pure Dating App. And now this is the one you want to download. It's got over 10 million downloads and 120,000 reviews. So go ahead and click on the install button. Once this downloads and installs, go ahead and open it up for the first time. Okay, so from here, we need to go ahead and sign in and create an account. So we've got a couple of different options here, and also you need to be at least 18 years of age to use this app. So we can continue with our Google account or continue with Facebook. For this demonstration, I'm going to continue with my Google account. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and click on agree and share. Now it's going to redirect me back in here and sign me up and sign me in at the same time. All right, now choose your gender. So I am a man. I'm a man, sexually. Click on done. Now, I suggest to allow notifications, so if you get any matches, it's going to appear on your phone. Enter your birth date. You can also hide your age if you're a little bit more private, and click save. Now, are you that age? Go ahead and click on that's right. Now, what's your height? So I'm 178. You can also hide your height if you like. Now, which languages do you speak? So choose all the languages that you speak. Now, what are you looking for? Are you looking for casual? So let's take it easy and see where things go. Long term, ready for a genuine connection. Virtual, here for a good time. Online, let's chat. Anything but boring, down for whatever, let's decide together. Or non-monogamy, ethically, lovingly, consensually. So I'm just going to choose casual for this demonstration. Now, what turns you on? Go ahead and choose what relates. Now also, this is the fun part, so you want to go ahead and add photos inside of here, so you can add up to 3 photos. Now if you don't add any photos, you're probably not going to get any matches, so go ahead and choose your best 3 photos. Now we've got the option to take a new photo with your camera or choose one from your phone gallery. Okay, from here I'm going to go ahead and click on done. Alright, so you can sign up to their subscriptions if you like, or you can use it for free. So for this demonstration, I'm going to use this for free. Now bio, so use your words to get what you want. This is where your photos are going to appear, your turn-ons, and what you're looking for. You can also publish in feed if you like, so go ahead and click on publish in feed, but you need to write a bio first. So just go ahead and click into it to add your bio. So I'm going to click on publish in feed. Want to create a true connection, enable your location to get the best geobase, so you enable location. So the thing with Pure, it works differently. So instead of swiping like your other dating apps, you post an ad about what you're looking for right now. So you can create an ad by, say for example, looking to chat tonight or open for a spontaneous meetup. Once posted, your ad stays live for 1 hour. After that, it disappears automatically. Now from there, when someone likes your ad, you'll see a chat request. So if you both accept, you can start chatting instantly. So this is your chats are going to be down on the bottom here. Chats are timed, so they usually disappear after 24 hours for privacy reasons. Now also you can stay private if you want, so you can blur photos or use temporary chats and delete history anytime. Pure doesn't save your messages or photos once chats expire. Also, they got another feature in here, so if we pay attention, next to the chats there's a little dice. So if we click onto that, we can go ahead and ready for a random voice chat. So if you want to play, we blindfold you, drop you into a call, you talk, vibe, see what happens. So you can play the voice game if you like, or if you prefer text chats over voice. So yeah, you can play that to kill a bit of time.